turn it down. Oh, 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 oh. Big anaconda, count a whole lot of. Keep me some cash, cool Matata, whipping the jet. This not a monster. I need some air. Who got a dollar? Who got a problem? Hit all the pins. Who got the chop? What's to the game?
This is King Boy Town. We out here, man, at the Rolling Loud meetup, man. Pretty deep right here. We're gonna check out some of these guys. A lot of them got some pressure out here, man. All right, but yeah, we out here at the Rolling Loud meetup at the Valley Park Tupelo, and I'm gonna show you some of these whips with these rides. Let's get to it. Mr. 30s right here. Hey, you got some pressure in there, man. I hear you, bro. Got so many got power in it, man.
On my subs and 720 on my highest beds.
One thing about you, man, you can actually compete in a no wall bill. A lot of times people get a little too high and go over the glass, so you can actually compete. More pressure. Yeah.
These niggas, they claim that they rip a beyond in the bitch. If I hit this little switch on my mama, I bet it starts to.
I see my new hoe, she play tennis. I been spinning, too official, as my city. Got that 30 women, I can shot me in my 60. It was nice to hit them shots and turned into a winning superstar. Clown with a grave digger, boy, don't get it twisted. Big brr, ask them why they call me 30 shots. Ask them don't ask them how many this 30 shots. If a nigga with me.
That's all that bottom, though.
Man,
That's all that bottom right there.
Man, wee.
That's all right that bottom. I'm scared of him.
Running on money, I'm sound like an athlete. Hit a superstar sitting in a backseat. I don't know your baby mama, don't ask me. She a pretty girl, but she get nasty. Know how I go, I can't put nothing past.